Catalan sheepdogs, secret guardians of ancient trails. The Catalan sheepdog's connection to its homeland is truly remarkable. For generations, these dogs have been invaluable partners for shepherds navigating the rugged Pyrenees mountains. It's more than just herding, it's a deeply ingrained understanding of terrain and route finding. They weren't simply moving sheep from point A to point B. They were leading them through complex landscapes, remembering paths over years, even decades. This isn't something bred in recently, it's the result of centuries spent learning the mountains alongside humans. Their incredible spatial memory and ability to follow faint trails is a skill honed by necessity and passed down through generations of working dogs. It's an intrinsic part of their being, a living legacy of mountain life. It's fascinating to consider just how vital Catalan sheepdogs were to their communities. They weren't merely herding sheep, they were essentially mobile navigators of the Pyrenees mountains. Imagine a landscape of rugged peaks and valleys, often covered in mist. There weren't paved roads or clearly marked trails like we have today. These dogs would guide flocks across incredibly complex routes, sometimes traveling for days at a time. They did this not through instruction, but relying on an extraordinary innate spatial memory. They essentially had living maps stored within their minds, allowing them to find their way even in the most challenging conditions. This incredible ability was absolutely crucial for survival and trade in that region. The Catalan sheepdog's herding prowess isn't just about instinct, it's a truly remarkable feat of sensory perception. They possess an incredibly keen sense of smell far beyond what we humans experience. This ability, combined with their innate understanding of the landscape, allows them to navigate vast and complex terrains with astonishing accuracy. Imagine a sheepdog not just following visual markers, but actively interpreting scent trails left by livestock, layered over landmarks they recognize visually. They're essentially building a three-dimensional map in their minds, constantly updating it based on both smell and sight, an incredibly sophisticated system that allows them to find lost animals even across miles of challenging ground. It's this unique combination that makes them such exceptional herders. Most dog breeds depend heavily on their vision to navigate and understand their surroundings. But Catalan sheepdogs are different. They possess an incredible sensitivity to subtle environmental cues. They aren't just looking at the path ahead, they're actively interpreting changes in wind direction, noticing how vegetation bends or sways, even picking up on variations in ground texture. This allows them to maintain a remarkably accurate sense of direction, especially in challenging terrain like rocky hillsides or dense forests where visibility is limited. It's an example of their deep connection to the land and a testament to their centuries-long role as herders in demanding environments. For centuries, Catalan sheepdogs weren't just companions to shepherds, they were absolutely essential partners in managing vast flocks across challenging terrain. The land itself demanded exceptional navigational skills from these dogs. Rugged mountains and sparse visibility meant a single misstep could lead the flock astray. This created an incredible pressure cooker for natural selection. Shepherds actively favored dogs who consistently demonstrated an innate ability to guide sheep safely. while those that lost control or wandered off simply weren't allowed to breed. It was a harsh system, but it rapidly refined their instincts and honed their remarkable sense of direction over generations, effectively shaping the very foundation of their genetic makeup. What's truly remarkable about the Catalan Sheepdog is their apparent ability to navigate and remember complex landscapes with incredible accuracy. Recent research suggests they possess something scientists are calling a cognitive map, an internal representation of their surroundings, far more detailed than what we typically see in other working dog breeds. Think of it like an incredibly sophisticated mental GPS system. They don't just follow instructions, they seem to build and retain spatial maps, allowing them to find their way back to familiar locations even after significant time has passed or the terrain has changed slightly. This suggests a level of cognitive ability that challenges our understanding of canine intelligence and how these dogs interact with and remember the world around them. This incredible herding instinct goes far beyond simply rounding up sheep. It's a deeply ingrained ability that allows them to navigate incredibly complex and challenging environments. Think about it, these dogs were developed in the Pyrenees mountains, facing harsh conditions and constant threats. Their innate sense of direction isn't just for livestock. They instinctively locate vital water sources crucial for survival in arid regions. Furthermore, this heightened awareness enables them to detect potential dangers like wolves or lynx, alerting the flock and themselves to impending threat. And remarkably, even during blizzards or torrential rain, they possess an almost supernatural ability to find their way back home, ensuring both the safety of the sheep and their own return. Historically, the Catalan Sheepdog's purpose was intrinsically linked to the livelihood of shepherds in the Pyrenees mountains. For centuries, they were essential partners, tirelessly guiding and protecting flocks across challenging terrain. However, as modern farming practices evolved and traditional shepherding became less common, this vital role began to diminish. This shift has significantly reduced opportunities for these dogs to naturally employ their innate herding instincts, a skill carefully honed over generations. Some breed experts express concern that without consistent engagement in this work, we risk seeing aspects of this remarkable ability fade as the years pass. Maintaining and showcasing these traditional skills is crucial for preserving the breed's heritage and ensuring its future. It's truly remarkable how much instinctive navigational ability these dogs possess. For centuries, Catalan sheepdogs have guided flocks across vast and challenging landscapes, developing an almost unparalleled sense of direction. Modern trainers are recognizing the value of this innate talent and actively working to nurture it. They're designing training programs that incorporate elements like long-distance herding exercises and obstacle courses that challenge the dog's spatial awareness. The goal isn't just obedience, it's about preserving and owning their natural ability to find their way, ensuring this extraordinary skill doesn't fade with time. It's a conscious effort to keep a vital piece of Catalan sheepdog heritage alive for future generations. The Catalan sheepdog's exceptional ability to navigate and locate trails isn't just a quirky trait. It speaks volumes about how deeply ingrained their skill set is within both animal cognition and human history. For centuries, shepherds in the Pyrenees region relied on these dogs not merely for herding, but also for finding lost sheep or navigating challenging terrain. This constant demand for precise spatial awareness shaped the breed's cognitive abilities over generations. Natural selection favored those individuals with an innate sense of direction, a keen memory for landmarks, and the ability to interpret subtle environmental cues, qualities we see so clearly displayed today. It's a remarkable example of how traditional practices, combined with the relentless pressure of natural selection, have sculpted a dog perfectly adapted to its environment, demonstrating a powerful partnership between humans and animals that's lasted centuries.